Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy bun updo on fine hair. To start, we're going to add some texture spray, and this one's really good because it also acts as a heat protectant. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Then I'm just going to go through the hair and put a loose curl in. This doesn't have to be perfect, but it really helps bump up the volume when you have fine or thin hair. Once you've curled all of the hair, add some volume powder to the roots. Again, I'll list this below. And taking thin slices of hair and holding them straight up, I'm just going to back comb just a couple of inches near the root to give the style more volume and height. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step, but again, with fine hair, this will make all the difference with the volume. Smooth over the very top layer with the tip of your comb, and then I'm going to divide off the hair from end of eyebrow height and just pop it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. I'm adding some wax spray to help control flyaways and give a little hold, and I'm gently using my fingers to pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture and volume. Pin this ponytail out of the way for later. And with the remaining hair, I'm simply going to divide it in half, and we're just going to secure it into two more ponytails. So you should have 3 ponytails all together, one on top of the other. And starting with that top ponytail, we're going to split it in half and just wrap the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Secure it at the end with an elastic band. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at that twist to create more volume. And we're loosely going to take that twist and wrap it around the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath, and secure all the way round with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to do the same steps on the other 2 ponytails. So go to the middle ponytail, create your loose twist, securing it at the end. Pinch and pull that twist for volume. Then we're going to wrap it loosely around the base of the ponytail, tucking the ends underneath and securing with a couple of bobby pins. Then just do it one final time on that last ponytail. So create your twist, pinch and pull for volume, then wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail and secure with some pins. Then just spend a minute or so pinching and pulling just to make sure that everything is nice and voluminous. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.